Patawarin niyo po sana kami. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. You changed our life. Kahit po na di na kayo ang advisor namin next school year, tandaan niyo po, you will always be our one and only family. I love you so much. Happy Teacher's Day.
We offer you this letter as a sign of our love for you. We usually don't show it, but trust us, we really do. We tend to be naughty sometimes. No, wait, let me rephrase that. We really are naughty and usually hard-headed, but we always listen to your advice and teaching. We honestly don't know how you survive being the advisor of our class, Lyra, this whole school year, which by the way makes you a great example of being a great teacher for having patience and understanding. Just so you know, Mom, we always tell you like apples and vinegar, and you always tell us to surrender our phones. We will always remember you, Ma'am Regina Concepcion Aicina, who survived being the advisor of the class of Lyra at 2011 to 2012. We love you, Ma'am. Love, Lyra, batch 2011 to 2012.